what's up? It's Hannah and welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be introducing y'all to our new calf that was recently born here on our farm. He is so precious and I'm so excited to introduce y'all to him. If you follow me over on TikTok or Instagram, you've probably already seen him. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe to see more videos. Oh my gosh. Alright y'all, here he is. This is Blondie's calf. Right here. This is Mama. And that's Honey. She's due pretty soon. The sun's really bright right now. Honey, are you gonna get in the way? He's so cute. He looks like he's gonna be about like their color, either like Blondie or Honey, because he's not done. If he was done, he'd have a black nose, and he's got a light colored nose. Are you a cute little boy? Oh my goodness. And there's Tucker Boy. It's our bull. That is not the calf's sire though, because Blondie and Honey were pregnant whenever we bought them. So the sire is actually jet black. He was super gorgeous. It's time to eat, so they're all antsy. Hold on, let me pour their food so I can get a better look at the baby. Oh my goodness. He is the cutest thing. He looks like a little teddy bear. I just want to bring him in my bed with me and cuddle with him. Oh my goodness. It's a little bit later now. It's now like 4:20. Austin and I, my brother, we're fixing to go and get some hay. I have to get a round bale for in the small pasture, and then I have to get a couple square bales. And we also have to get a few things from the grocery store. back from getting hay and going to the grocery store. I was trying to check my P.O. box, but I forgot my keys, so I was not able to do that. I'll have to check that another day this week. We're working on unloading the hay now, and I'm gonna work on feeding up and everything. I'm gonna try to get the calf to eat some starter. As y'all could probably see, he seems, you know, interested in the sweet feed. So we got some starter for him to see if he'll start eating that. And then whenever we were living with Dixie, I saw these two dogs. We tried to feed them some chicken nuggets, but they ran off. Right when I went around the corner, I saw a sign for this missing dog, and it looked just like the yellow one, but it was with another dog. So I turned around and called the number. So hopefully it was the right dog. But she was with another dog and they were only missing one. But there's never stray dogs up there, so I'm hoping that's her. Okay, we're home with the hay now. We got 2 square bales and then the roll. I like to feed coastal hay and alfalfa hay. I like mixing the two. There's blue jeans. Oh, pretty girl. You can see Topper's little nose poking up. Oh my goodness. Look at your little booty. You got a cute little booty. Are you taking some of the hay? Huh? You can barely reach it. Let's see. I don't know if y'all can see me. Not really. I'm gonna throw out like a flake or two because Austin and I are trying to pull that round bale back there. And blue jeans and the minis are like on the trailer, so I have to put hay out anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some out for them. And hopefully that will get them off of the trailer. Okay, there we go. So we're starting to get fluffy. Some people absolutely hate when their horses get fluffy, but I love it. Which I do get excited for summer coats also, but I think the horses look like teddy bears. And oh, is you wagging your tail? Are you ready for your supper? Oh my goodness. Alright, the hay is unloaded. I'm fixing to start feeding up. I've got the feed right here that I soaked from earlier. They're both beet pulp and alfalfa pellets for Lady and Levi. So I just have to add senior feed and then do more equi stages for Lady. Goodness gracious. So yeah, that was all for today's video. I hope that y'all enjoyed it. I'm gonna have my notification shout out up on the screen, and it says, "You were so awesome. I have been very inspired by you. I also just bought my first horse." after years of lessons and watching lots of videos like yours. Thank you so very much, and congratulations on getting your first horse. That is so exciting, and I'm so happy for you. Thank every single one of y'all for watching and for your love and support. I appreciate y'all so much, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.